Let's make a Halloween spider cookie cake. To start, clip the tip of each bag of icing with scissors. Be careful not to cut too much. If the icing comes out too small, you can always cut off a little more. First, we'll create a spider in the center of the cookie. With the purple bag of icing, draw one large circle and add one slightly smaller circle underneath. Fill the center of each circle with more purple icing. If you'd like, use the back of a spoon to smooth the icing circles. Let's give the spider eyes by adding 2 green dots to the smaller purple circle. Now we can make the eyes pop by adding a small purple dot to the middle of each green eye. To create the spider legs, add 3 zigzag legs on one side of the big purple circle and 3 zigzag legs on the other side. Next, we'll add a bow tie using orange icing. Create the bow tie over the neck of the spider by drawing 2 little triangles that touch in the middle. With the spider complete, we can make a fun border. With the orange icing, squeeze a squiggly, border all the way around the edge of the cookie, turning the cookie with your other hand as you go. If you'd like a thicker border, cut a little more off the end of the orange icing bag. Next, add purple dots to the inside of the orange squiggle border. Try to hold the icing bag straight up and down for these dots. Finish the border by adding green dots to the outside of the orange squiggle border. Again, try to hold the icing bag straight up and down. Final step, open the sprinkles and scatter them along the border and wherever else you'd like.